Hello, I'm going to do a review of the CVLIFE folding knife. I'm a retired firefighter with 32 years on the job, and I always carried a knife for a lot of different reasons. Different kinds of knives over the years, but I'm here to tell you, this would have been a good one. I'm always on the lookout for an interesting or good knife. I have grandsons and son-in-laws and a stepson and sons. These are people who, carry knives, hunt, fish, do things like that. This knife would have been a great knife on the job when I was a firefighter, but heck, I'll carry it today on any fishing or hunting trip. It's comfortable, easy to open, and very functional. I also like a knife with a pocket clip. I know what my son-in-law, stepson, grandkids, I know what they're going to be getting for Christmas this year. This is a great little knife and an excellent value.